Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to create digital signature in Word. So if you are using Microsoft Word and want to create a digital signature, this video will show you how to do it. So first of all, you have to go into Google Chrome, open or any browser, and then you have to search remove.bg. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to just upload your signature image here. So I'm going to upload my signature image here and remove the background of the image. Okay, signature image. After that, what you have to do, you have to just remove it and just download this image. Okay, then go to Word, place your cursor and click in the middle of the page, then go to insert picture from file, then insert that background removed image. Okay, go to wrap text of in front of text, you have to select in front of text. Okay, then resize it a little bit. Okay, then just save it with the name of your name. Okay, then click on save. So like this you can create a digital signature in Word. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.